How to allow camera access on iPhone. Enable camera in Settings. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, and go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select Allowed Apps, enter your password, and enable camera. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Fix via App Settings. Go to General, then iPhone Storage. Find Snapchat. Offload and reinstall the app. Then log in again. Reset settings, if needed. In General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then reset all settings. These steps should resolve the issue.